Hey, what is up YouTube? Charles Lane 27 here, and today, well, today, um, if there are any kids in the room, you don't want to politely ask them to leave. Alright, just saying, you might want to ask them to politely leave. Am I missing a foot to my tripod? Okay, I think I am. Okay, I guess I'm missing a foot to my tripod. Anyways, it's not important. I'm not here to talk about my tripod. Anyways, so basically, what I'm here to talk about is electronic sex toy repair. Alright? The reason why I'm bringing this up is because, a lot of people ask, not just me, but other people and other people on YouTube, can this be repaired, or are there repair shops that do this? I don't really know of many that do. I'm going to be starting one here pretty soon, and I will leave a link to my social media for my business, and I'll give you a contact, and you guys can contact me through there. I'd be more than happy to help. The reason why there's not a lot of people doing this is because I don't know if there is any laws against it. Regardless of there being a law, if there's a law saying that I'm not allowed to repair your sex toy, even if it's electronic, I don't really give two hoots. I really don't care. I'll do it regardless. I'll go against the law and I'll repair it for you, like this Fleshlight Launch here. All right. As you can see, this is a Fleshlight Launch. Very functional. This is my personal one. It works very well. As you can see. So that works very well. However, now I have used it. I mean, there's no shame in hiding it. Everybody's a masturbator in this world. Who cares? Whatever. There's just certain businesses that need to open up to this kind of stuff because Fleshlight is planning to discontinue this. They just now brought it back onto the market. I think temporarily. And they're trying to debate whether they should keep it on there or not, depending on how many people have bought in it. Which actually, frankly, this is actually one of their biggest sellers. So, yeah, actually, a lot of people have bought in this. If you go on Pornhub or whatever, Pornhub.com or any porn site and stuff, see the reviews on it. There will be plenty of reviews on this. Fleshlight is a very big company, and the product is powered by Kiiroo. So this is called the Kiiroo Fleshlight Launch, or the Fleshlight Launch by Kiiroo. The original manufacturer of this is Kiiroo. So basically what happened is Fleshlight Company and Kiiroo teamed up to make this. This also works for virtual reality porn, except the problem is with this though is a lot of the porn is not free for it. Yet they usually pay for it. There's very short clips on Pornhub. Some of them you have to pay for on there or for this one, but it works with that. But anyways, moving on from that, some things that you have to consider when trying to, if you want to get one of these fixed. Now, there's a couple ways that you can do this. Number one, you can look up repair videos and stuff on how to repair this, which I haven't seen anything on this one yet. I'm going to be making a few. Just because I need to help people out. Alright, so yeah, you can do it. So the one option is you can do it yourself, or another option is if you don't feel like doing that or you're afraid of breaking something, you could send it off to somebody. However, I'm here to talk about what to do when sending this off, alright? first of all, number one, just ship it in a discreet box. All right. So go to your uh, you can go to if you can have this weighed and see how much it would cost to ship. Um, go to your local UPS or USPS store and get a box. All right, and then I'd probably buy the box first, and then in probably some bubble wrap, and wrap this in bubble wrap. All right, and like real nicely, and then uh, buy the bubble wrap and stuff, and buy the box. Take it home, put this in here, wrap it in bubble wrap real nicely, so it's nice and protected. So it doesn't get damaged during shipping, and make sure you put enough stuff in there. If you want to put packing peanuts in there, that's fine. I'll accept it with packing peanuts if you send it to me. Like I said, I'm going to be repairing these, so I will leave my contact information. Now this goes for any Kiiroo products. I'm going to be repairing all Kiiroo products, all of Lovense products, any product you can think of. I'm going to be doing like a whole different list of electronics, so yeah, just feel free to drop me a line and I'll help you out. But anyways, yeah, so put this in the box, alright, and then tape it up, then take it back to your USPS and have it weighed and see how much it should cost to ship it. If you, depending on what you want to do, if you want to like ship it like quickly and stuff, you'd have to pay a little bit more, because usually, well, obviously it costs a little bit more. But for me, so if you're going to be shipping it to me, I'd highly recommend that you pay enough to have it shipped twice, so I can ship it back to you. And then I'll charge you for a separate fee for the service. But in all, add the fee that it costs to ship it to me twice, and then plus whatever I'm going to be charging you for that. So I'll give you some estimates. I don't know what I'm going to price it yet because I'm new to this and I'm just starting this business. Well, I'm thinking about it, but anyways, so what I recommend doing is for this, I recommend getting some. Now you can get a gallon of this at Lowe's or Home Depot. This is some ZEP antibacterial disinfectant. This is antibacterial, but it also kills viruses. All right. Somewhere on here it says that it kills the human coronavirus, the coronavirus and stuff, and it kills all those stuff. HSV, herpes virus, it kills all viruses. So this will kill most viruses. All right. And what I recommend doing is just taking either a microfiber towel or some kind of cloth, or take something like this, and I also highly advise that you do this whether you're the shipper or whether you're the receiver. If you're the shipper, you want to spray this on here like this, alright, and then just wipe it off, just spray it with some disinfectant, and that way it'll kill any bacteria if this thing has already been used. Like I said, there's nothing wrong with shipping a used electronic sex toy. Just gotta make sure you keep everything sanitary. So you might want to use gloves temporarily. If it's a virus or whatever, don't worry about it. People are free saying, "Oh, it'll live on there for decades." No, it really won't. A virus needs a living host in order for it to stay alive. And herpes and gonorrhea, those all need, any bacteria or virus needs a host to stay alive. And regardless, how long it takes, or how long it takes for bacteria, whether it lives longer or not, this will kill it anyways. And then so what I would recommend for if you're receiving this and a customer ships those things to you, get a pair of latex gloves or rubber gloves of some sort, or some kind of cleaning gloves. Put those on. So, yeah. Put those on. Alright. And then so you got those on now. And then first of all, what I would do is I'd recommend spraying it sometimes in the box. So spray it in the box, you know what I mean? And then take it, pick it up, alright. Take it, pull it out. And you don't want to soak it, but just kind of like mist it just enough for it to affect it. So, let me get this. I have like a regular spray bottle filled with this stuff. And just like, oops, that was a little bit much. Now, you don't want to run the electronics inside, so just a little bit, and then in here, and that should pretty much be good. So you just need a little spritz of it. Alright, you take your towel and whatnot, or you could use I just do this because this can be washed. That's no big deal. Or you can take a microfiber towel, or even a paper towel, or whatever. Or you could also use Clorox disinfecting wipes, as long as it kills the virus. I would recommend virus killing ones. You don't have to, but a virus won't kill anyone, will kill any virus, and it basically sterilizes it. So you want to kind of do that before you start working on the toy, and just really wipe it down. Alright. That way, when you get it, you're not getting any diseases, you're not getting herpes, you're not getting any of that kind of stuff. And it's just an extra safety precaution. Alright. So, no big deal. Everybody makes a big deal out of this, saying, oh, you can't do that because if somebody has a disease, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, nobody fucking cares, alright? Nobody fucking cares. Simple. I don't fucking care. It's not that big of a deal. We disinfect shit for a reason. People are stupid, and they don't realize that it's not going to live on this thing forever. Alright? Probably about a week, if that at the most. Who cares? Another way to do it, another way that you could do this is, I have a scent crusher ozone closet. I'll just take the box and put it in the ozone closet, then I'll disinfect it with both this thing and the box. Alright? So, that's another option that I have. That's one other option that you have, and that works probably even better, because then you don't have to worry about getting this thing wet, and it still kills all the bacteria. But yeah, so that's that, and so that's pretty much what you have to worry about, is just, number one, finding a shop, number two, number one, decide on whether you want to fix it yourself, alright, or whether you want to send it to a shop. Number two, how to properly package the thing and how to send it there. Number three, preparation for packaging and sending. Number four, make sure that that shop is willing to repair sex toy related things. They're probably more than willing, I'm sure they're more than willing to repair anything that is like just a normal electronic. But this is still an electronic, but it's a sex toy. It's a sexual electronic for virtual reality porn. Like I said, some places are probably willing to do that. I don't know very many. I probably might be the first one to ever do this, but you know what? I mean, hey, whatever country you come from, you know, ship it from China, wherever. I'll repair it for you. The reason why I'm doing this is because not a lot of companies want to do this. Kind of like Apple with their iPhones. They say that, oh, just ship it back to us and we'll get it repaired for you. They will not do that. That is a complete lie. That is a gimmick. That is a sales gimmick just so you can spend more money to them. Obviously, they're going to do that because they're in China and you can't really trust them usually. And China is lazy when it comes to fucking fixing things. So, if you want it done right, you got to do it yourself. You know, or find somebody that's trustworthy of doing this. Alright. Those are just the 5 things. Those are just about the 4 or 5 things that I recommend that you take into consideration for repairing sex toys. So, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. And in case you guys need a link to my Facebook page for my business, I saw the camera lens for a second. Okay, whoops. But anyways, well, in case you guys need a link to there, my Facebook page for my business is Lane's Technical Maintenance Services. Now, I do more than just electronics. I repair everything. And I do a lot of other services too. I haven't gotten any employees yet. I'm kind of starting this business slowly. Some things I just do on the side. That's pretty much what I'm starting. So like half the business is going to be like a side business, other one's professional business. But a lot of it's kind of trying to be like a side business, so it's just more affordable prices. But yeah. So I hope you guys found that helpful. If you guys found that helpful, please do me a favor and give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you get all the notifications, and I'll keep you guys updated with more information on whatever it may be that I might have, or just a random video for fun. I like doing that too. I'm just, one of those average YouTubers that likes to help people out. I'm not like one of those gamer YouTubers. I'm not really that big into gaming. I used to when I was like 14, but I got better things to do now. I'm getting older. I'm 23, and I just have better things to do. But I still love making YouTube videos to help people out. I love helping people out, and that's what I'm here for. As you know, my channel does videos on how, literally the bio in my channel is how-to videos for absolutely anything and everything, and I mean that. Yeah, even if it's something that I'm not familiar with, I'll learn about it, and then I'll show an easier way to do something. So I'll show you. So you'll probably see one way to do something, but I'm going to show you an easier way to do it. Sometimes it's quicker, sometimes it's not. It really depends. My videos are kind of long. I hope you guys don't mind long videos, but I feel that longer videos just explain more, and it's just better to take your time with this kind of stuff. If you want to get stuff done right, you got to take your time with it, even if you're in a hurry. There's appropriate ways, there are improper ways, and there are proper ways to rush things. If you're going to rush things, make sure you do your research first. So that's my recommendation. So, like I said, I hope you guys found that video. Charles Lane 27 out.